Good day, everyone. Today, we'll learn about the requirements that we require on our computer and our on mobile phone before we start actually developing our material in virtual reality. We'll be using Unity as the software required for developing the virtual experiences in our present course. Let's look at the installation of Unity and what are the prerequisites required before we start actually working in virtual reality. First, we require to install the latest version of Unity Hub and Unity software onto our computers. This is very much required that you install it correctly and check it before we actually use it for developing our virtual reality experiences. Next, after installing the latest version of the Unity, what you need to do is you need to install the Android and iOS build support. This can be found in the Add Modules section when you install the software of Unity. So as you can see on the screen, you have to have the Android build support and the iOS build support, since you'll be running your virtual reality experiences on your Android cell phones. Next, onto your cell phone, you will need to activate developer options. There are various ways to activate these developer options that you can find based on your model, on your cell phone model on the internet. Make sure you start these developer options, and next you turn on the USB debugging mode in those developer options. This is required since you'll be connecting your cell phone to Unity and you'll be installing the app directly from Unity and running it on your cell phone. So please make sure you're turning on your developer options and turning on USB debugging. Next, we'll be working using Google VR SDK for developing all our virtual reality experiences. For that, you'll need to download Google VR SDK from the GitHub link as shown over here. Make sure you're downloading the Google VR folder as shown in the figure. Please make sure that the entire Google VR is downloaded, because we will be using all the required tools from that folder. So please make sure you're installing the Google VR SDK properly. Therefore, looking at the summary, you need to install first Unity Hub and the latest version of the Unity software. Then you need to install iOS and Android build support, since you will be running the virtual reality experience of your cell phone. Make sure on your cell phone you are having the developer options on and the USB debugging mode on. Finally, please download the Google VR SDK from the GitHub link as I showed in my previous lecture. With this, we will be well prepared for developing our first virtual reality experiences. So first, let's start by looking at Unity in our next couple of lectures, and then we'll start developing virtual reality in Unity. Thank you very much.